All right, now, no end to politics over Kolkata rape horror. As thousands of protesters are on the streets demanding justice for Abhaya, TMC netas trigger a row with their controversial remark yet again. TMC MLA Lovely Maitra compared the protesting doctors to butchers. She later issued a clarification saying the protest is only hurting general public. Another TMC neta, Arup Chakravarti, has also slammed those protesters. He says, and I quote, "Once you hiss, they will flee like dogs." This is not the first time that Arup has spoken like this on protesting doctors, and speaks about many of them roaming around in the garb of protest with your boyfriends. Some really shameful comments made by him. Meanwhile, the centre has moved the Supreme Court accusing Mamata Banerjee government of non-cooperation with the CISF that's deployed at RG Kar Hospital. Centre says that Mamata government is not giving enough security equipment and accommodation to the CISF Jawans who are currently stationed there. Amid this, Kiran Rijiju has also slammed Mamata Banerjee for not implementing a stricter rape law that's passed by the parliament in 2018.
আমরা বলেছিলাম বদল নয় বদল নয় বদলা নয় বদল চাই, এটা অনেক বেড়ে গেছে। এটা চতুর্দিকে মিথ্যা অপপ্রচার করছে। জন্ম থেকে মৃত্যু পর্যন্ত মানুষের যে পরিষেবা দেয়, এরা মানুষকে ভুল বুঝিয়ে বলছে আমরা 100 দিনের টাকা চাই না, আমরা কন্যাশ্রী চাই না, আমরা 1000 টাকা লক্ষ্মীর ভান্ডার চাই না, আমরা দুর্গা পুজোর টাকা চাই না। হিম্মত আছে তাদেরকে নিয়ে মিছিল করে দেখাও কটা লোক বলছে আমরা সরকারি সাহায্য চাই না, তাহলে জানতে পারবো তোমরা বাপের বেটা। ওই কুত্তার মতো গুজুর গুজুর ফুসুস ফুসুস করবে আর ইনকিলাব জিন্দাবাদ করবে, কাস্তে হাতুড়ি দেখাবে, আর ভোটের আগের দিন পদ্ম ফুলে ভোট বেঁধে দেবে। তোমাদেরকে বিশ্বাস করি না।
আন্দোলনের নামে মানুষকে গরিব গরিব মানুষ যারা চিকিৎসার জন্য আসে, যারা গ্রাম বাংলা থেকে আসে, যারা প্রান্তিক এলাকা থেকে আসে, যাদের চিকিৎসা করার ক্ষমতা নেই প্রাইভেট হসপিটালে গিয়ে, আজকে তারা মৃত্যুর সঙ্গে পাঞ্জা লড়ছে, তাদের কোনো চিকিৎসা হচ্ছে না। এরা মানবিক, এরা মানুষ, কসাইতে পরিণত হচ্ছে দিনের পর দিন ডাক্তাররা।
टीएमसी की नेत्री विधायक लवली मैत्रा ने डॉक्टर्स की तुलना, जो आवाज उठा रहे उनकी तुलना कसाईयों से कर दी है। कितना घृणा और हेट्रेड भरा हुआ है इनके मन में डॉक्टर्स के प्रति जो आवाज उठा रहे हैं बेटी के लिए बंगाल की। ममता बनर्जी जी से सवाल है कि लगातार आप बेटी को न्याय दिलाओ नहीं, बलात्कारी बचाओ, संदीप घोष को बचाओ जो अभी अरेस्ट हो चुका है, या सच की आवाज दबाओ और सबको डराओ, ये कब तक करती रहेंगी? क्या इस प्रकार की भाषा आपको स्वीकार्य है? क्या ये पूरे मेडिकल फ्रेटर्निटी का अपमान नहीं है?
Let me cut across to Ritik Mondal joining us for more on that. Ritik, give us more on the number of comments coming in from TMC netas that are shameful and could be easily avoided at a time when the protesting doctors are so enraged. Comments targeting them is really not what the TMC should be doing. Has the government responded to this?
It's really bizarre and, very shocking to see that one after another TMC netas, be it MLA or leaders, they are speaking publicly such words. You have, Kanchan Monlik, actor turned politician, Lovely Maitra, another actress turned politician, and Arup Chakravarti, one after another, very shocking remarks targeting directly to the protesting doctors. Now, this movement, but to understand the ruling dispensation of the TMC needs to understand the public sentiment. Somehow, it shows that they are not unable to understand the public sentiment and the protesting doctors. Remember, today is the 27th day. Protesting doctors are eagerly waiting for justice for Abhaya. And apart from that, since last couple of this movement trend towards this way, we did see that human chains being carried on the streets of Kolkata, which couple of kilometers. And today is this night there is a huge call from the doctor fraternity to the society to gather wherever, whichever way they want, but to seeking the justice or a very quick development from the Supreme Court. All eyes are fixed for the tomorrow's hearing at the Apex Court. So today there is a very significant call has been made by the protesting doctors. The people across the length and breadth of the society to come up on the streets between 9 and 10 p.m. this night with candle lights, putting their lights of their houses, residence, shops, bazaars off, and they should come together. So we are expecting and we're seeing that.
All right, Ritik Mandal there bringing us those details with, of course, embarrassment that's being brought to the TMC with the comments that some of their netas have made. Of course, at this point where they're trying to be in damage control, this clearly does not serve the purpose. Now, the Bengal government has passed the anti-rape bill in the assembly yesterday. The Aparajita bill proposes maximum punishment of death penalty for rapists. The BJP has backed this bill, putting the ball in Mamta's court for implementation. This makes Bengal the first state to amend central laws pertaining to rape and crimes against women. Have a listen.
Amid massive outrage and continuing protest over the young Kolkata doctor's rape and murder, Bengal Assembly unanimously passed anti-rape bill brought in by the Mamata Banerjee government. Called Aparajita Woman and Child Bill, provides for the death penalty for rape and sexual offences of convict. The bill also proposed 3-year jail for disclosing victims' identity and vows to establish fast-track courts for rape cases. Calling it historic, Chief Minister Mamata said the bill was a tribute to the 31-year-old trainee doctor who was raped and murdered at RG Kar Hospital.
যে মেয়েটি নির্যাতিত হয়েছে তার জন্য আমি শোক জ্ঞাপন করছি। যে সমাজে মেয়েরা ভালো থাকে না সে সমাজ কখনো ভালো থাকতে পারে না। প্রধানমন্ত্রী আপনি দেশের লজ্জা।
While tabling the bill, Mamata Banerjee also listed rapes in BJP states, asking Saffron Party to first serve justice to rape victims in states ruled by it.
আজ থেকে 4 বছর আগে 2020-এ এই সেপ্টেম্বর মাসেই হাতরাসের ঘটনা, যেখানে একটি দলিত মেয়েকে গণধর্ষণ করা হয়, বিচার তো পায়নি, সেও বাঁচেনি। বিভিন্ন রাজ্যে চলছে একের পর এক ঘটনা, এটা গ্লোরিফাই করার নয়।
While the BJP backed the bill in assembly, it described it a move to distract mass focus and sought its implementation on the ground.
নতুন কিছু নয়, আন্দোলন থামাও, সরকার বাঁচাও। This is the actual motto, aim and object of the state government.
That the bill as settled in the assembly be passed. As many others of the tribunal, please say aye.
With this bill, Bengal has become the first state to bring in amendments to central laws dealing with offences of rape, gang rape and sexual crimes. With Indrajit Kundu in Kolkata, Bureau Report, India Today.